students, welcome to the game Division Showdown. For this game, you are going to need a Division Showdown starter sheet. You can have the regular version, or on the back side is the challenge version. Okay, backside challenge version. I'm going to recommend that everyone starts with the regular version. You're also going to need the continuation sheets, B and A, to finish all 5 rounds of your game. But you're going to start with the regular version sheet. You're going to need a blue pen or marker and a red pen or marker to be able to play this game. And you're going to need a spinner overlay. You're going to start by deciding who is player 1 and who is player 2. Pick which colors you are and write your name at the top of the sheet. The first player is going to spin and whatever you get, it's the dividend. So you can write that in the division problem section. So I have 409 divided by 13 is equal to, we're going to figure that part out. So I'm going to put on this side 13 because that's my divisor. So I put my 10 bar and I put 1, 2, 3. So I have 13 on that side. So I'm going to start with doing multiples of 10 as my first red player. I have 409 and I'm going to do 10 times 13. So I draw my 10 bar up top and I'm going to color in times 13. So I have 130 as my first player. So I'm going to do 409 subtract 130. Have 279. Since I have 279, there's still enough to do another group of 10. So the blue player gets to do their group of 10. So the blue player gets the turn next. Going to do a group of 10. Color it in. They have their 130. They're going to subtract. So I have 279 minus 130. I still have one more group. The red player can do their 130. They put their 10 bar up top and they're going to subtract. So 149 minus 130. I have 19 left over. So it's the blue player's turn. Since there are no more groups of 10, the blue player is going to take out whatever remaining groups they have, and they're going to put the remainder. So I can get one more group of 13, and I'm going to subtract 13. And then there's a remainder of 6. So I'm going to put the X's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the blue player, because the blue player went last, they get the score of the remainder. So the blue player is going to get 6 points. The goal of this game is to get the most points possible. So the blue player got 6. They also are going to write the final answer to the problem, which we can see 10, 20, 31, remainder 6. So I have 409 divided by 13 was 31, remainder 6. You're going to take turns with who gets to start first. So red player got to start first. Next is the blue player that gets to start first. We're going to do one more round so you can see how this will go, but you're going to do 5 rounds in total. Highest player, highest points wins. Okay, so I'm going to take my continuation sheet A, but I'm going to need to use my spinner to go first. So I'm going to start with my spinner. Oh, let's see if I can get a good spin here. Oh, 409 again. I'm going to do one more practice one. We're going to say that landed on the 400 mark. That was close. 400, here we go. So I'm going to have 400 divided by, let's double check, use our spinner for the divisor. 15. So 400 divided by 15. Blue player gets to go first. They're going to put the divisor down the side. So I put my 15, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 down the side. And I'm going to do my first group of 10, which is 150. Put my 10 bar up top. Then I have 400 minus 150. It's going to be 250. So the red player can go another group of 150. 10 bar up top, 150, and they're going to subtract. Oh, I cannot get another group of 150, so I can't do a group of 10. Blue player, how many more groups can I get? Well, I know I've got 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90. So I have 30 filled in, 60, 90. Then I have 100, so I've got 10 left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because I can't make that other group of 15. So the blue player wins again because they get the 10 points from the remainder. I'm going to subtract their 100. They got down to 0. They're going to put the answer, which is 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Remainder of 10. And you're going to keep going till you've played all 5 rounds. Good luck!